Hey, what's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 is back again. But you know what? I ain't gonna go to sleep until I talk about Sally Ann Roberts. Okay? Today is her third to the last day on Channel 4. Okay? Day after tomorrow, February the 28th, 2018, is her last day. Okay? Yes, indeed. Okay, so not only they count down, we count down too, So, Robin Roberts, I know she counting down too, So, thank God that Sally Ann Roberts is not leaving New Orleans. Thank you, Jesus, So, at least she gonna still be in the city. I'm sure she gonna do a lot of traveling though, and probably go to Good Morning America and sit in the audience, and watch Robin Roberts' show. They are very successful, So rest in peace to our mom though, Sally Ann and Sally Ann Roberts and Robin Roberts, So, in 1992, Sally Ann Roberts succeeded Andre Trevine, the late Andre Trevine, on Our This Morning News, I never had a chance to watch, excuse me, I never had a chance to watch Andre Trevine on Our This Morning News, I guess I watched Channel 4 too late, So anyway, gotta catch my breath. All right, I don't want to go to sleep yet until I do another shout out video to Miss Sally Ann Roberts, because this is her third to the last day. Today, February the 26th, I'm sure gonna miss her though, So how time flies, people getting up age though, and plus I would not be surprised. Trust me, I would not be surprised if Eric Paulson be the next to retire, I thought Eric Paulson was going to leave before Sally Ann Roberts, I thought Mike Hoss was going to be there for the longest, And I think it was last year that Bill Capel retired from the Channel 4, I wonder who gonna be the Action News reporter, filling in for Bill Capel, So I sure miss Mike Hoss though, Mike Hoss and Bill Capel left Channel 4 around the same time, but I guess different weeks, And plus, I also met Tom Trong in person. If y'all watch my videos, type the Best of the Dominoes 7 show or one of the loose videos on my parade episode when I met Tom Trong. Okay, this is about Sally Ann Roberts, not Bill Capel, Tom Trong, and Mike Hoss or Eric Paulson. Even though Eric Paulson started it all, and then he was replaced by John Quains, and then he succeeded John Quains. I was a little kid, I think, a little baby when John Quains was on Channel 4. I wasn't even born yet. All right, so it's gonna be sad to see Andre Trevine. I'm gonna see Sally Ann Roberts gone from Channel 4. All right, so anyway, Miss Sally Ann, if you're watching this video, well, I'm Asperger, you know, and I'm part autistic, you know, autism at that. All right. So that's all I gotta say. All right. Good night, everybody. Good night to Miss Sally Ann, and good luck on the next chapter. Okay, chapter of your life, raising your grandchildren and stuff like that. God bless you here. You know, sometimes things come to an end. You know. All right. Thank y'all for watching. All right. Bye bye.